Hari yang merah untuk kripto hari ini. News telah keluar. Kemarin PPI, hari ini CPI. Sorry, terbalik. Kemarin CPI, hari ini PPI. Did I just say the same thing? Anyway, market telah junam sedikit hari ini. Kita akan tengok a few things today. I have a few interesting things to show you guys. Then we will go into some technical analysis. Yang pertama, yang sangat-sangat menarik ialah the market is extremely greedy, right? Well, maybe ini tak menarik lah, but what I'm trying to say is the market is very, very optimistic. Ini adalah satu, there's a poll on Polychain. Basically, orang sedang bet that Bitcoin akan hit 100k dalam tahun ini. And right now, it's almost up to 70%. 69% right now, almost 70%, right? The market is in extreme greed. So soalannya sekarang ialah, will 100k be the top for Bitcoin? Right? Will 100k be the top for Bitcoin? One of the indications yang saya nampak di Twitter ialah Coinbase telah jadi the #1 iOS App Store finance app. So that means a lot of people are starting to download Coinbase. Okay, that means a lot of new people are coming into crypto. Right? Dalam masa beberapa hari saja, dia telah lompat kepada ranking nombor 1. Okay? But this could be an indication of the top for now. So check this out. Check this out. A lot of people have been tagging me because Coinbase app just hit #1. But this indicator works for the #1 app in general. Okay, bukan finance app. Untuk masa sekarang, dia baru #1 in the finance app. Big difference. Dan ada lebih kurang, dan biasanya ada 2 minggu that follows after it hits anyway. So, it might be an indication of a local top. But indication of an overall top for the whole crypto market ialah apabila Coinbase atau mana-mana crypto app ranking lebih tinggi, #1, #2 or #3 in the whole app store. Right? Another thing you have to take into consideration ialah, for example, kalau you nampak app crypto yang less popular seperti Phantom Wallet jadi ranking lebih tinggi. So for now, yes, it may be a sign of a local top, but the overall market still seems okay. Until kita nampak Coinbase ni ranking number 1 dalam overall app store, then we should be worried. Okay, so kemarin CPI, hari ni PPI, the news biasa aja. Basically, actually better for USD, right? Not really good for crypto, better for USD. Okay, core PPI, unemployment claims, overall good for USD. So bila USD strong, crypto akan jatuh. Dan this is something that we have to pay attention to juga, sebab semua orang sedang gembira apabila Trump menang. Tapi, walaupun Trump ialah pro-crypto, Trump ialah sebuah businessman. Dan slogan dia ialah Make America Great Again. Bukan Make Crypto Great Again. Make America Great meaning increase the strength of the dollar. Right? So, walaupun dia pro-crypto, dia nak buat simpanan crypto dan dia nak pecat Gary Gensler, dia nak elakkan buat CBDC. All that is good for crypto, but at the end of the day, Trump's focus ialah untuk kuatkan kuasa dollar, the buying power of the dollar. Right? So we have to see how he actually lays out his plan. Okay? So, yes, Trump is good in general for crypto, but he is a businessman and he deals in dollar. Right? So I think I have one more interesting tweet. Okay, ini actually sebuah thread. So Bitcoin has blown through its all-time high, and now on the verge of hitting 100k. Soalannya sekarang, is this a blow-off top? Should you exit? And is it the right time to enter alts, or are we nearing the top? Okay, so let's take a look. Sebab saya telah baca ni, and I think he summarized it quite well. Alright, so Coinbase #1, we took a look at that. Okay, for now belum ada all time high untuk Ethereum dan juga large caps. Ada dua major large cap iaitu Ethereum dan Solana. Dan bila Ethereum dan Solana gerak, usually kebanyakan alt akan bergerak dengan mereka dan bergerak dengan lebih ganas. Okay? ETH is still down 30% from its 2021 high, Sol is down 16%. Right? Historically, large caps hit a new all-time high once Bitcoin stabilizes. So sekarang Bitcoin sedang naik. Yes, the other altcoins will follow. Tetapi bila Bitcoin naik dan mula sideways macam tu, that will give time untuk money flow kepada altcoin lain, Ethereum, Solana, and then the other altcoins. Right? So when will alts start to pump? Alts won't fully start until the Fed signals the stopping of quantitative tightening. Since mid-2022, the Fed is doing balance sheet reductions, which has been bearish for alts. Okay, let me just expand this. Okay, in my opinion, the Fed could signal the stopping of quantitative tightening in the next FOMC meeting, iaitu bulan December, which might mark the beginning of alt season. So, again, saya telah cakap, November, December will be bullish, right? Sebab we got a new president, not us, but we have Trump, right? Trump telah menang, the market is very, very happy, tapi Trump belum masuk office lagi. Dia belum masuk inauguration. Okay, once dia masuk inauguration pada bulan January 20th, if I'm not mistaken, barulah kita akan tahu apakah policy Trump yang sebenar. So from now until the inauguration, we will have a phase of euphoria. Market akan gembira dan berparti-parti. Okay, so for now, no signs of top. Okay, no signs of top yet. Some bears are saying that open interest is high, maksudnya banyak orang sedang open trade baru, and funding rate is positive. So the market is only driven by leverage, which usually happens during the end phase of a bull run. As usual, they're wrong, and here are the reasons. Bitcoin ETFs have amassed 40,000 BTC, 3 months of mine supply in just 4 days. Wow. Okay, so Bitcoin ETFs are being bought up massively. Bitcoin funding rate during the 80k breakout was the lowest in a very long time. So, walaupun Bitcoin telah breakout 80k, the funding rate has been extremely low. Right? The funding rate is extremely cool. Then I think we can actually open up the funding rate. Let me just funding rate heat map. So, funding rate basically menunjukkan perbezaan is how much leverage there is in the market. Right? So, let's take a look at 1 year. So, bila funding rate jadi panas macam ni, jadi warna kuning, that's when the market is starting to overheat dan dia akan reverse balik untuk cool off. For now, kalau you tengok, we're still actually very, very cool. Ada sedikit altcoin yang sedang panas sikit, right? But generally, we're still quite cool. Compared to here, this was 11th March when we made the previous high, right? Then we cooled off for a long time. Sekarang baru mula nak panas sikit, baru swam. Okay, alright. So this clearly invalidates that there's no real demand for Bitcoin and the pump is only perps driven, futures driven, right? Bitcoin, different stages. A bull run doesn't end until the market becomes extremely frothy. Take the 2021 bull run as an example. The market peaked when rock pictures started getting sold for 3 million. Celebrities started putting laser eyes on and random coins started pumping 10x without any news. Yes. Right now, kalau dibandingkan dengan previous bull run, I think it's quite clear that we are still quite relaxed lah. Masih okay lagi. We're still chilling. Right? We're still chilling. Right now, no such things are happening. Bitcoin and crypto markets are now entering the belief phase where people are realizing that they should have some allocation, right? So this is the belief phase. Here. Hope, right? Hope. Is it? Yeah. So I think right now, hope recovery is possible. Oh, no, sorry. Here. Belief phase. Time to get fully invested. So people are just starting to get into the bull run. Okay. Are there any signs which could signal market top? To be honest, there are a few ones. All right. Google search results for cheapest altcoins reaching new highs. Okay, so that means a lot of new retail is coming in because the retail mindset is mereka nak beli altcoin yang murah. Crypto companies spending on buying something out of the crypto space, sports teams dan sebagainya. Okay, mainstream media like CNN and CNBC started interviewing random KOLs. Yes, dan juga ada mainstream media yang start reporting about Bitcoin reaching all-time highs dan dogecoin dan sebagainya. Big celebrity with 100 million followers launching their own meme coins and NFTs. Crypto company doing IPOs. So yes, there are some signs of a local top. Okay, so what should we do now? As it's clear that Bitcoin and crypto still have a long way to go before a cycle top, the best strategy now would be to accumulate alts after a 25 to 35% drop, which is a normal occurrence during a bull run. Yes, I agree. Sekarang, we have been going up for 2 weeks, guys. Let's start to open the charts. Let's open the charts. Okay, let's open the charts. Look at this. We have pumped for 2 weeks. Boom. 40% pump, guys. So it's very realistic to have a correction. Okay, it's very, very realistic to have a correction, right? Let me go to 2 days. Right, so where could we correct to? Again, very, very simply, we can just pull a Fibonacci. I think I'll pull it from here. Right, let's pull it from here. We can also look at this right here. Let's look at where the volume has accumulated. So a lot of volume down here, right? A lot of volume down here. Okay, previous value area high around here, and this lines up with the 618 level. So if I were to trade a pullback, right, I would trade it right here, stop loss down here. And again, this is a big time frame, ya, 2 hari ini time frame besar. So if I were to trade Bitcoin, a big trade, this is what my trade would look like. And if I get this entry, I'll be trading it to new all-time highs. Right, 2 to 1 RR would be 100k. So this is very realistic. Pull back to here, trade it all the way up to 100k. Okay, so this is just one setup you can look at for higher time frame. This would be a big juicy trade. Kalau you dapat trade ni, congratulations. Let's see if we can ride it to massive new all-time highs. Okay, so golden pocket lining up with this big volume node, this becomes a very, very nice place for an entry. Alright, so I have a few more trades yang saya nak share, yang saya telah bagi dalam Kyzen Academy. Kalau you guys nak dapatkan semua trade ni, you guys can join Kyzen Academy. I'm going to give you guys one setup. Right, I'm going to give you guys one setup, which is ETH, USDT. Basically, my thesis ialah Ethereum. Mana Ethereum? Oh ni. Ethereum has pumped quite nicely setelah dia sideways sangat-sangat lama. It pumped nicely, tapi Ethereum ecosystem belum dapat kejar ETH lagi. So I have a few setups here. I'm going to give you guys one of these setups, which is ETH-FI USDT. So very simple. This is the daily chart, right? This is the daily chart. We're looking for a pullback into the golden pocket and a trade all the way up to break out of this zone. If, however, this zone breaks, right? If, however, this zone breaks, but basically we are trading the middle of this trend, right? Then you have to wait for it to come back down here, right? 1.2. Okay, so what you want to look for ialah dalam zone golden pocket ni. I'm going to give you a quick lesson, ya. Dalam zone golden pocket ni, apa yang you nak cari? Cari some sign of reversal, right? This is the daily time frame. Go down to 4 hour. Yeah, go down to 4 hour. Right now, MACD sedang bearish. MACD sedang bearish. Tengok ni. Ya, tunggu dia jalan sikit, Bila dia cross macam ni, then maybe you can look for an entry. Right, then maybe you can look for an entry. So still let it go down. Tunggu MACD bagi some signal, right? Or wait for a reversal pattern, inverted head and shoulders, right? Change of character. Ya, jangan terus enter sekarang. Tunggu some time of confirmation within the golden pocket. Okay, kalau dia break bawah golden pocket ini, then you kena cari setup based on this daily range. Look for a deviation below this low. Okay, something like this. Deviate ke bawah, tunggu dia reclaim balik range ni, dan trade ke atas. So if that were to happen, this would be my second trade. Okay, first trade would be here. Second trade would be right here. Okay, something like this. Right? So this is I've given you guys two potential trade ideas for Bitcoin. We got a big juicy trade on the daily time frame, and also for ETH fee USDT. Kalau you guys suka video macam ni dan nak lebih banyak update, make sure you guys join the academy, sebab saya share banyak trade setups. Bukan saja trade setups yang you guys boleh manually trade, but I also share copy bot yang saya telah setup sendiri. Based on my trade idea, saya telah setup sebuah bot untuk anda. You perlu tekan link saja untuk copy, right? You tak perlu buat apa-apa pun. Okay, so I'm trying to make it very easy for you guys to make money in this bull market, right? So kalau you guys berminat, tekan link di bawah untuk join the academy. See you guys in the next video. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, letak komen di bawah supaya saya boleh buat lebih banyak video macam ini.